Alright, this is basement fire alarm test 26. We've got the Simplex 4008 as always. Got a nice interesting combination of devices for today, so let's go ahead and take a quick look at them. So, right here we have a Firelight BG12L, but this one's a little bit different. As you can see, this is the older variation, and if I open it up real quick, you'll see this is a PDI model, which is quite a bit older. So there's that. That's a device I got fairly recently. Up above here we have a Gamewell 7230, if I'm not mistaken on that model number. This is a multi-candela rebrand of the NS, rebranded by Gamewell. But what's different about this one is that it's actually 4-wire. So there's separate connections for the strobe and the horn, which is fairly rare. It's not too common to find an NS of this type. So therefore, I have the horn on a different signal coding. I actually have it on March time, which I can't say I've ever seen an NS on March time, so let's get into it, shall we? Audible silence going up there. And I forgot to mention this, but that strobe is on 30 candela, and you can definitely hear that strobe. I think the horn is getting a little power or something, but you can definitely hear it. Another interesting thing here is that the font right here where it says activated is just a little bit different than it is on most of the BG12s. Alright, let's reset the panel. So that is the end of the video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.